Lewis, was that fun? How straight of a course?
I can't see the boat, but that's okay.
Did you go straight?
Whoa, that was cool.
Say goodbye to Miami. Say hello to the Florida Keys.